This video of the quick disassembly of our VapeBreed Boxmod, okay, by VapeBreed Philippines. Again, shout out to Sir Neil Paga, who authorized me to resell this one in Cebu. Now, just two quick heads up. All you need is Stanley screwdriver. This one is a separate one for the big screws that you might be removing. And of course, after removing everything, I have here a vinegar and salt, diluted, mixed together in order to clean your internals. Alright, so as we're gonna start, all we need to do first is remove these 4 screws above on the 510 connection. Here it is. So I'm gonna remove that. This might take a little while, there, 1 screw. Actually, the bottom here is 2 long screws together, and on top that would be, the short ones. So there, removed. And of course, you're gonna separate them from each other. What I'm amazed is that I'm kind of amazed when I saw the internals earlier and tried to remove it without a video. Yeah, you gotta see this one. This is why actually the VapeBreed is top notch. You wouldn't even know they didn't post anything about the copper about the internals, but see that? Yeah, see the color? Yeah, that is already a silver plated 510 connection, firing or something like that. The internal of the Boxmod, and here's how it looks like. There, you might see that is a shaft for you to connect some VapeBreed connector inside. Once you press it, it will fire. So like that. So in order for you to remove this one as well, all you need to do is loosen up by turning it to the left. Loosen it until there. Now your 510 connector is now removed. Not. There. 510. Removed this one. Alright. I guess it will be removed. I don't know how to remove it. The last time we dismantled this one was actually removed, but now I can't. So that's it. And it's your 510 threading. Yeah, there's a 510 threading over there. 510 connector inside of the box, and a 510 connector outside when you that is when you stick your atomizer. You know, this one that connects the atomizer and the Boxmod itself. So there. And I'm gonna remove this one, of course. This one. Yeah. I'm gonna remove it. Remove it. I'm gonna separate those. Okay. Separate. Alright. After that, so remove something that is a bit easy to remove in this box. And now it's time to remove the positive connector inside there. You see that? It's a positive connector. So using this one, it's kind of small actually here. So all I need, especially with full mechanical boxes, Boxmod, all I need to have is patience, and gotta be careful a little bit, you know. And you gotta remember where you took some of the parts inside, because if you don't do that, probably you wouldn't get your Boxmod working after returning all the parts. Okay, right there was removed. You know, do them. We're gonna separate that because that is the one that we're going to put on the vinegar and salt. You know, just to clean them up. All right, here it is. Now for you to remove the 510 firing button, yeah, I'm gonna use this one. There. Now to remove there. There, aren't you gonna be amazed with that? Those are silver plated firing buttons over there, and this one silver plated. This one too, the 5 positive contacts, is also silver plated. You know, most especially this one, silver. All right, so to take this off, this one, it's kind of locked. Okay, to take this one off, all you need to do is loosen this one, this part here. Alright, loosen it up, loosen it up, loosen it up. Alright, there. See that one? It's silver plated kick-ass connector. Okay, of course it is brass, you know. This is silver plated too. Internal, where your firing shaft is laid made over. And of course, let's not forget that this is your popular tiny spring. Alright, I'm gonna put this there. Maybe we're not going to do this one because this is metal. Okay. And to remove this one, yeah, it's removed. Okay, to remove this and this one, all I need to do this. There's a small, there, you see that at the bottom? All I need to do is to remove this. There, using that. Kind of hard, huh? silver plated. Silver plated. Okay, guys. Takes time, but you need patience. Be careful. Okay, there. So here it is. Bang. Oop. Okay. Alright, there's your VapeBreed, man. Okay, all taken off. There. Good there. See everything. There. And there. That's our internal part. VapeBreed. And close it. There. Now it's time to clean up. And of course your internals. You can see that. Alright. Back to FaceTime. So there's the top part of it, the middle, Delrin. This is Delrin, you know this. And this is your emblem, VapeBreed, and it's the bottom part that supports the battery. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm just gonna. Now the things we're not gonna include to soak it into the vinegar and salt is this one, this metal. I'm kind of afraid if this would get some rust. Okay, just gonna separate that there. Alright, I think able to remove this screw. Okay, so just gonna be back after a few minutes. I'm just gonna soak everything into the vinegar and salt. Concentration of those. About 5 minutes, I believe. Bye. Gonna be back.